Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Google Mail API system. Now, nice and simple, we've got ourselves logged in. So what we'll need to do, so what do we normally email? So let's go and email a replenishment order to one of our suppliers. So if we open up one of them, top one, that will do fine. So what we'll do, we'll click on email order. And then you're presented with these options here. So what we'll do, we'll click on Google Mail right there, obviously under development because we're going to be adding more features to it, but at the moment it's ready to actually be used to actually send out emails. So we'll click on accept on that one. Little thing pops up there that basically just explains that it's still under development, and we'll advise you to confirm all your emails are being sent manually by checking your Gmail outbox. And obviously if you wish to opt out after allowing access to it, it's got to be done manually via your Google account settings, or you contact us and we can help you out how to do that. That's no big problem. So we click on OK on that, and then you go through the usual system of what you want to send over. What we'll do, I'll just type in our support email address in right now. Okay, there you go, and then this will then pop up, prompting you to put in your details. So obviously you put in your normal email and your normal password in. It'll link them all up. It'll allow your emails to be sent via this effectively third-party app, which is EPOS, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. That's literally all you need to do to get it all set up. Obviously, any issues or any queries or anything like that, feel free to contact support. I do hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.